Congratulations to everyone that was watching my videos, these Amazon videos that I released, almost a couple of weeks ago when we were starting to break out and there was some huge potential. We are almost coming to the end of that initial run that I expected us to get to. That's right around here in the 120s, in the 130s. So congratulations. I hope you guys have been taking some profits off. Now, if you look at the weekly chart on Amazon, we've been green the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive weeks ever since backtesting its weekly 10 SMA. So that's a long time for a stock to continue to run. I still think we've got a little bit more room to run. If we look at what the market makers are pricing in, they're still pricing in about another 2.5, 3 points. So we're currently sitting at 126. If we were to go 3 points from here, that puts us at around 129, 130. So maybe we do continue to push. If we do continue to push into the 128s, into the 129s, please take your profits. We're coming into heavy weekly resistance here at the 200-day moving average. Now, that does not mean that the market's coming all the way back down to $82 on Amazon. By no means am I a bear. By no means do I want to see the market go down. But this is healthy. This is very healthy. If you haven't been making money on the breakout here over the weekly, if you haven't made money on Amazon in the past month, okay, month and a half, when we broke out over its weekly 50-day moving average, that's your fault, okay? You need to learn technical analysis. If you didn't make any money here when we confirmed the high close over the 50 SMA on the weekly time frame above 113 into 120, that's your fault. You should have been selling into this 119, 120 and locking in some gains. When you didn't take any profits here over 120, 163, and now we're currently trading at 126, 127, that's your fault. Get with me, evolutiontraders.com. I'll mentor you for a month, 30 days straight. You're going to get access to my video courses. You're going to get access to trading with the team. You're going to get access to my watch list. You're going to get access to my technical analysis and how the hell I'm using this crazy chart. You guys are going to start to understand. Join us at evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member. But if you're looking still for a little bit of a trade, I'm not saying that the trade is over. There still might be 1, 2, 3 points for you to squeeze. Hell, there might even be another 5 or 6, right? Who am I to say how high the market can go? I am nobody to say that. Again, I am not the trader. I'm not the influencer. I'm not the, the social media YouTube guy that, tries to time anything. I simply just react to what the heck is going on. And what the heck is going on right now is that if we do start to confirm today's highs over 127.5, we've got room into 130, okay? 130, 131. Again, I'm going to repeat myself again because a lot of traders need to have things repeated to them multiple times. Make sure that if you do get in over today's highs, you are taking profits $1, $1.50, $1.25, $1.70, $1.80 up, $2 up. Again, market makers are only pricing in about a $2.83 move. That doesn't mean that we need to move $2.83. We can go up $1 and come back down $1.50, and they are going to be sitting just perfectly, right? So what we can do is we can gap up. If we do gap up into 128, 129, definitely kind of try to avoid that. Let it pull back, catch it into some rising hourly support, and then try to play it off the bounce. Again, I wouldn't try to start shorting here. I would wait for a red candle close underneath a green candle. So until that happens, we cannot short. We got to look at the daily time frame here. If we do start to look at the daily time frame here, you can still see that we're still closing green. So I wouldn't really start shorting until we get a red candle close below a previous green candle. So if we were to close below 125, maybe we've got some room into 123. If we were to lose the 5-day moving average around 123, maybe we've got some room down here to 122, and then we got room down to 120. Again, going to be very choppy trades because the market is so strong and the trend is so strong right now. Again, look at the amount of green days compared to the amount of red days. The amount of red days that we get is very minimal, 2, 3 at a time. You come back into support and you bounce. You come back into support and you bounce. You come back into support and you bounce. So if we do get some red candle closes back into support, look for the bounce. If we do come back into, below 124 and we come down into 120, 121, look for the bounce. If we do come down below 120 and we come back down to 116, look for the bounce. It's not that hard. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think we got a little bit more room left to run on Amazon. Make sure you're taking profits. Please come back and tell me in the comment sections if you guys made any money, if you guys locked in your profits, if you're still looking to kind of squeeze a little bit of more water out of this rock. And I will see you guys all on the inside of Evolution Traders. Again, evolutiontraders.com. That's where you can find me. That's where you can get access to the Discord. If you just want to join the free Discord and be involved in the free chat, that link is down below. If you want to take this serious and you want to get access to one-on-one coaching and to all the study guides and to trade with actual other traders who are doing this on a day in and day out basis, make sure you guys join the lifetime access. I'll see you guys on the inside.